Hello everyone, today we will make a video for the Ford Escort all keys lost. Then we enter into the DP main menu immobilizer and choose the Ford and Lincoln. We choose the latest version. Choose the Ford immobilizer and choose the Escort. We choose the year 2017 and erase keys. Click yes to continue. Switch the ignition on and it's the reading data now. And now do as the reminds step by step. Now remove the first key. And then switch the ignition on with the second key. And then switch off and remove the second key. Click enter to continue. Okay. Now start the car with the keys. The first key and then the second key. Okay, now thank you.